we're gonna try it this way.
Kick it.
I think it does because we're just gonna wait for it. You ready? Alright, we're gonna yank back right before we go. Ready, go. Oh shit!
Don't let out of it. Keep going. Ride that.
Dude, did it tear the back up?
It won't flip over. Don't worry.
This is the bumper. Tell us when you're ready. Tell us. Damn! You hear it popping? It's gonna tear the whole damn front. It's not. It's just pulling on it. Ready? Why do you let out of it? I feel like, dude.
It's not gonna flip over.
Now.
Y'all aren't doing it good. You can't ride it downhill. You can't ride it downhill. Just hold it. Did you let out of it?
Hang on, man.
Stop letting out of it.